So to get started on doing your serpentine belt, you want to make sure your engine's off, obviously. Once you've done that, you want to make sure that you pay attention to the belt routing so you know exactly the way that the new belt's going to go on. If you were to follow the belt coming over in this direction towards the passenger side, this upper pulley right here is the tensioner. You're going to get on that with either a 15mm wrench or, of course, your serpentine belt tool. I'm going to turn that clockwise. It's going to relieve tension, and I'll take the belt right off. I'll bring this up here so it hangs out. Now I'm going to remove the belt. There it is, friends. When I'm doing these serpentine belts, the first place I like to start is way down at the bottom at the crank. So I'm going to take one of my ends, put it down along the bottom of that crank, and try to get the belt so the grooves sit on the grooves of the actual crank pulley. I'm going to bring this around, and now I'm going to line it up with the direction that the belt originally ran. Coming around the water pump here, back down, around the power steering, up, over the alternator, down, under the idler pulley. Okay, so this looks good. I have it around the tensioner. I'm going to double check to feel as though it goes around all the pulleys. Oh, look right down here. I can see it's coming right off that power steering pulley. Loosen up the belt a little bit, slide it in. This looks good. The next thing I'm going to do is relieve tension from the tensioner and slide the belt underneath the smooth pulley of the idler. Slide this right over the idler, carefully release. Now what I want to do is I want to check to make sure that the belt is sitting on all the pulleys flush. If you have it hanging over, there's pretty good odds that you're going to damage your belt and you're going to have to replace it again. That feels good. Around this one, yeah. Perfect. We'll get our tool out of here and then we'll start it up and check it. That looks good. Let's go ahead and start up the vehicle. We're going to run it for approximately 15 seconds, turn it back off, and then double check.